When you have a trucking accident versus an automobile accident, you have different regulations, laws, statutes that come into play that otherwise do not come into play in an automobile accident, and that makes a significant difference in how you proceed with the case. So, for example, when you have a trucking accident, you have regulations governing the size and the weight of the vehicles, the load of the vehicles. You have regulations dealing with how long a driver can be on the road at any given time, how many brakes they have to have. You have laws governing physical examinations of drivers, things of that nature that you would not have when an automobile accident occurs and you have just a regular driver. Some of the challenges has to do with gathering the information necessary to establish liability. So, for example, in an automobile accident, you can look to the witnesses, the people involved in the accident, go to the accident scene. In a trucking accident, there's a lot more information that you need to gather, often in the hands of the trucking company, and you have to be able to go through and get that information from the trucking company as well as from governmental entities that you might not otherwise have to do in an automobile accident. That's a major challenge that people don't realize when they're involved in a trucking accident. If you're involved in a trucking accident, you need to make sure that you get all the evidence that you can. Not a lot of people can because they're hurt in the accident, but taking photographs of the scene of the accident, the vehicles, making sure you get medical attention if you are injured in an accident, and certainly going to see a lawyer that is experienced in handling trucking accidents, because again, those are different than your typical automobile accident claims. Well, you don't need just a lawyer or any lawyer if you're injured in a trucking accident. You need a lawyer that is experienced in handling trucking accident claims because of the unique laws and regulations that are applicable or relevant to the trucking industry that are otherwise not applicable to the ordinary driver driving a car on the road. If you don't go see a lawyer, a lot of times you'll be taken advantage of by the insurance company or the trucking company and not getting the settlement that you otherwise would be entitled to trying to do it on your own.